Visit www.myce.slcc.edu. Click on the field labeled High School Partner. Log in using your SLCC-issued credentials. Click on the field labeled Reports. Click on the field labeled Classes. Click on the field labeled Class Section Export with Students. Select the current term. Select all classes. Select your high school. Click on the field labeled Generate Export. Click on the field labeled Students. Click on the field labeled Student Test Scores. Select your high school. You will need to create 5 different student score reports. We will start with the ACT report. Once you've selected ACT, click on the field labeled Generate Export. Repeat this process for your students' AP, Canvas, Qualtrics, and USHE score reports. Click on the field labeled Student Hold Export. Select your high school. Click on the field labeled Generate Export. Click on the field labeled Student Directory. Select your high school. Click on the field labeled Generate Export. You will receive an email in the account associated with your MyCE account when the reports you requested are ready. Follow the instructions in the email to access the reports. Once you've received an email for each of the reports you've just run and downloaded each report to your computer, open the location where your computer downloads files to access your MyCE reports. While the reports in this video are named, the report files you download will not be named. The file names you see here will differ from the names of the files you've downloaded onto your computer. However, you should generally be able to identify which files are which by the names generated by MyCE, the only exception being the test score files. You will need to open each test score file to tell which test score type that file was run for. Open the SLCC Admissions Registration Tracker template. Open the Class Section Export with Students file. Copy the information from the file and paste it into its sheet in the tracker. Open the ACT Score Report file. Copy the information from the file and paste it into its sheet in the tracker. Open the AP Score Report file. Copy the information from the file and paste it into its sheet in the tracker. Double-click on the Canvas file. Copy and paste the Canvas information into the tracker. Open the Qualtrics Score Report file. Copy the information from the file and paste it into its sheet in the tracker. Next, double-click on the Hold Export file. Copy the information in the file and paste it into the hold sheet in the tracker. Open the SLCC Directory Report file. Copy the information from the file and paste it into its sheet in the tracker. Next, you will need to enter data file from your high school's system, which includes students' SSIDs, names, high school ID, and grade status. After you have created this report, copy it into its sheet in the tracker. Click on the sheet labeled HS Info. Copy the SSIDs. Click on the sheet labeled Course Master. Paste the SSIDs into the column labeled SSIDs. The Course Master will automatically pull relevant information from the other sheets. This is very important. Type in the name of a course offered at your school in field B1 next to the field labeled Course. The Course Master will automatically populate information about your students' interactions with the course. Next, click on the Vetting Master. Copy and paste in your students' SSIDs into the field labeled SSIDs. The Vetting Master will populate relevant information automatically. Adding or deleting anything from the other fields in the course and Vetting Master will break the file.